Hello care queens, welcome back for another video. Today I am showing you guys my amazing self-care queen DIY facial at home for all of my stressed out queens out there who need that extra treatment. So we are starting off with removing our eye makeup. I am using the Glossier Milky Oil waterproof makeup remover. This makeup remover is honestly the truth. I love it because I don't have to try too hard to get stubborn eye makeup off. I honestly just put it on a cotton pad, press on my eye and wipe when necessary, but it really doesn't need a hard pull at all, and it really gets stubborn makeup off, which I love. So I also like to take off my brows with this as well because, you know, why not? So now we are moving on to the Drunk Elephant Makeup Melting Cleanser. I love this amazing double cleanse makeup remover because it really melts off your makeup for real. I love it because I don't have to pull it too hard with makeup remover wipes. I find that my makeup comes off easier and it just feels lighter on the skin. And it's perfect in the winter time when you need that extra oil in the skin and you don't want to strip your skin of everything it has. This just keeps your skin moisturized, but also taking off your makeup at the same time. Yeah, and those hands were something else. Okay, so now I am feeling super cleansed and ready to facial steam. I cannot do a facial without steaming my face. It's honestly the best part, and I love adding tea tree oil into it to really, I don't know, clear out my sinuses. It just really helps. We are moving on to this amazing product, the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa, and I love it because it comes with 3 attachments, a cleansing brush, an exfoliating brush, and a silicone brush. I love them because they are non-porous. They are very hygienic cleansing brushes, and I don't find that my skin breaks out like it does with other brushes that I've used in the past. It really helps clean the skin at a deeper level than your hands, and it also increases skin hydration levels and boosts your collagen. And I also think it just removes my texture and helps my acne-prone skin a lot. So I have found that this brush is really helping out with my skin, and as you guys can see, like, my skin looked pretty good, and I had a couple breakouts last week, and now that I've been kind of going back to using this brush again, I feel really great. So if you guys want to get your hands on this amazing Vanity Planet spin brush, then please check the link down below for 70% off. Guys, it's an incredible deal. I don't know what you're waiting for. It's perfect for the holidays, and your skin is just going to thank you. Now we are moving on to Kylie Skin. Now this foaming face wash, it grew on me. I do really like it now. I think I like it a lot more in the winter time now because it's infused with kiwi seed oil, it's infused with vitamin C and E oil, so I find that my skin feels super soft after using it, and I don't know, guys, I really like it. I don't know why, but I just do. Now we're moving on to the Sephora Mud Mask. What I love about these is they're individually packaged. You can get them at Sephora for a pretty good price. They're really cheap in comparison to buying an actual face mask, and they're super cute. So I do love this mud mask. I probably will be repurchasing it. I honestly have a lot of different ones, and this was the only one I had of this one, but after using it, I really like it. And I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes and sit and just, you know, look adorable, of course. Okay, so 15 minutes later, we are taking off the mask, and I am going to be rinsing my skin underwater before doing anything else. And now I am moving on to my toner. This toner is very slept on. It's from Indie Lee. I don't know why I love it a lot. I like to spray it all over my face first, and then I apply it to a cotton pad. And it just feels really refreshing, and it just, I don't know, evens out my skin. I really like this, okay? This routine works for me. Now we're moving on to the Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Hydrating eye patches. Guys, if you don't own anything at all that is skincare, please go out and buy these. You're going to be so happy if you have under eye darkness, if you have under eye dryness, wrinkles, anything, it doesn't matter. they are amazing. And while I have the eye patches on, I am using my Tarte lip scrub. I love this because it reminds me of like peppermint, and I don't know, it just tastes really good and it makes my lips super smooth. And we need to have soft lips in the winter. Now I'm examining my skin for any imperfections and impurities. I don't know, I like to do that just in case I need to do extractions. And now we are taking off our eye patches, and you should massage in the leftover liquid that's from the eye patches into the eyes before applying anything else. And we are going to be going in with the Glossier Bubble Wrap Eye and Lip Plumping Cream. I only like this for my eyes, but it's super light. It's not like a super thick, obnoxious eye cream. It's honestly really good for people who just want a hydration but not overly hydrated. And I am moving on to one of my favorite skincare necessities, and it's the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask. It's dual-ended. There's two different sides. There's a thinner side and a thicker side. You have to use both or else you're just not going to get the benefits of it. And I find that really massaging it into the face, using esthetician tips and tricks of effleurage and depotement, I just really love this part of my routine. It relaxes me and I feel amazing after a long, stressful day. It's just one of my favorite parts of my routine. And we are now using the thicker side and doing the exact same method that we were doing before. It's just one of my favorite ways to massage in any product. And of course, we're not going to stop there, and we are going to jade roll our face. I don't know why, guys. I find that jade rolling has really improved my skin in some way. I don't know what it is yet, but I know it's because of the jade rolling, because before doing it, I didn't see these changes. I feel a more firmness and tightness to my skin. I don't know how, but it's working, and I love it. Nice and cold. You should be rubbing this on your face at least once or twice a day, and you guys will see a difference, I promise. Now we're moving on to Laniege Lip Mask. We are almost done with our routine here. You cannot skip your lips in your routine. Your lips get dry, especially during facials and just during the winter or any type of environment change. So I love applying this lip mask, and it's in vanilla. And one of my favorite products as well is this Honest Beauty Organic Beauty Facial Oil. One of my facial oils that I just really keep coming back to. It just makes my skin look like it's been kissed by the sun. I feel like so hydrated and beautiful after applying this face oil, and it works really well under makeup as well. And lastly, we are spraying our face with Pixi Glow Mist, and we are good to go to sleep. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video.